Hello friends, today I am Karat Ansekar and I am here to speak on the topic how war affects any country. The war is a very bad thing for a country. If a country fight a war, then it has many losses because they have economic losses. The country which was growing very fast, its growth will decrease very fast, and the persons who will die, they have their family will be without home, and many things will affect our, and the country have loss in their defense forces and in the defense economy. So the war is a very bad thing for a country. You can see that many wars happen at now also, in Russia and Ukraine war. You can see the Ukraine, it has very much losses, and Ukraine is the some years before, Ukraine was a very beautiful country, but at now time it has become like a graveyard, and the Russia is also many losses from the war in this, and the many country who are fighting wars such as Iran, Israel war. The Iran has also many losses. It lost their PM, and the new PM become in power, and there were many buildings were destroyed, and many their defense forces were died, and many things have very much issue in the time of war. The peoples are not safe where the attacks are happened, and the peoples are trying to leave the country fast, and the countries such as Pakistan, Afghanistan, that type of country, the war can be happen anytime. In the Afghanistan, you can see the peoples are very much uh, the people's attack on on their country only, and they kill the peoples who are living in their country, and the Pakistan is also a very terrorism country, and they have very much terrorist attacks, and the attacks on the other country also, such as Afghanistan, India, and the countries who are not fighting wars, they have very much the benefits because they grow very fast, such as you can see China, Japan, they are not involving in any wars, and India is also developing the fastest developing country is now India, and it is developing very much fast, and it's and if any war happens, then the India's developing ratio will decrease, but if the war not happens, then the India will increase. So by this topic we learned that war is a very bad thing, and it can harm many things, such as the peoples living in the country. It can decrease the number of peoples, and the economy will also decrease of that country, and the defense economy will also decrease. So a war should not happen in any country, and the war is a very bad thing because by this many peoples are not coming their home after the war. So thank you and Jai Hind.